you know weather words like sunny, rainy, hot, and cold, but still feel slow when you talk about the weather?
Yes, I usually say, today is hot, or it is rain. I know the words, but my English sounds too simple.
That is normal. Many English learners translate word by word, but natural speakers often use chunks. A chunk is a group of words you can use together again and again.
So I don't need to build every sentence from zero.
Exactly. Today, you will learn 5 easy chunks for talking about the weather naturally. Today's goal is simple. After this lesson, you will be able to start weather small talk, give your feeling about the weather, make a simple prediction, and talk naturally in daily life.
Great. Weather small talk is useful at work, at school, in the elevator, at a coffee shop, and even when I meet a new person.
Yes, today's 5 chunks are it looks like, it's getting, it feels like, I hope it doesn't, and the weather is.
Only 5 chunks. That sounds easy to practice.
Yes, we will learn slowly, use examples, practice a dialogue, shadow together, and finish with a mini challenge. Imagine this. Lina walks into the office in the morning. She sees dark clouds outside. Her coworker Alex is making coffee near the window.
I want to say something about the weather, but I don't want to sound too basic.
Right. Instead of saying only it rains, you can say it looks like it's going to rain.
That sounds much more natural.
Then later, the room becomes warmer. You can say it's getting warmer. When you go outside, you can say it feels like summer.
And if I am worried about rain?
You can say, I hope it doesn't rain. And to describe the general weather, you can say, the weather is beautiful today. Chunk number 1, it looks like.
It looks like.
Simple meaning, from what you see, you think something is true or something may happen.
So I can use it when I look at the sky?
Yes, use it when you see clouds, sun, wind, or rain, and you want to make a guess. Example, it looks like it's going to rain.
It looks like it's going to rain.
Common mistake, learners often say, it look like rain. But with it, we say looks, and we usually make a full natural sentence.
Better, it looks like it's going to rain.
Exactly. You can also say, it looks like the storm is coming, or it looks like the sun is coming out. Chunk number 2, it's getting.
It's getting.
Simple meaning, the weather is changing now.
Like it was cool before, but now it's warmer.
Yes, use it when the temperature, sky, or weather condition is changing. Example, it's getting colder.
It's getting colder.
Common mistake, learners say it becomes cold, but in daily conversation, it's getting cold sounds more natural.
So I can say it's getting cloudy, it's getting hot, or it's getting windy.
Perfect. This chunk is very useful because weather often changes during the day. Chunk number 3, it feels like.
It feels like.
Simple meaning, this is how the weather feels to your body.
So maybe the number says 25 degrees, but it feels hotter.
Exactly. Use it when you want to describe your personal feeling about the weather. Example, it feels like summer today.
It feels like summer today.
Common mistake, learners sometimes say, I feel the weather hot. That sounds unnatural.
Better, it feels like summer today, or it feels really humid.
Yes, you can say it feels like winter, it feels like a sauna, or it feels colder than yesterday. Chunk number 4, I hope it doesn't.
I hope it doesn't.
Simple meaning, you do not want something to happen.
So I can use this when I am worried about rain before I go out.
Exactly. Use it before travel, outdoor plans, sports, shopping, school, or any event. Example, I hope it doesn't rain later.
I hope it doesn't rain later.
Common mistake, learners often say, I hope it not rain. But after hope, we need a normal sentence. It doesn't rain.
Better, I hope it doesn't rain later.
Yes, you can also say, I hope it doesn't get too hot, or I hope it doesn't storm tonight. Chunk number 5. The weather is.
The weather is.
Simple meaning. Use this to describe the weather in a simple, clear way.
This one sounds easy.
It is easy, but we can make it natural. Example, the weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today.
Common mistake, learners repeat basic words only. The weather is good. That is okay, but you can sound more natural with words like beautiful, perfect, terrible, crazy, lovely, or unpredictable.
So I can say, the weather is perfect today, or the weather is terrible this morning.
Exactly. It is a simple chunk, but very useful for small talk. Now let's practice a real dialogue. Lina and Alex are at a coffee shop before work. They are standing near the window and looking outside.
Wow, it looks like it's going to rain.
Yes, and it's getting darker outside.
It feels like a storm is coming.
I know. I hope it doesn't rain before we get to the office.
Me too, but yesterday the weather was beautiful.
True. The weather is really unpredictable this week.
That dialogue felt natural. It was not too difficult.
Exactly. Weather small talk does not need to be long. A few natural chunks can help you sound friendly and confident. Now it is time for shadowing practice. Listen and repeat after me. First, slow speed. It looks like it's going to rain.
It looks like it's going to rain.
It's getting colder.
It's getting colder.
It feels like summer today.
It feels like summer today.
I hope it doesn't rain later.
I hope it doesn't rain later.
The weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today.
Great. Now normal speed. Repeat after me. It looks like it's going to rain.
It looks like it's going to rain.
It's getting colder.
It's getting colder.
It feels like summer today.
It feels like summer today.
I hope it doesn't rain later.
I hope it doesn't rain later.
The weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today.
Excellent. Now natural speed. Listen to the rhythm. Repeat after me. It looks like it's going to rain.
It looks like it's going to rain.
It's getting colder.
It's getting colder.
It feels like summer today.
It feels like summer today.
I hope it doesn't rain later.
I hope it doesn't rain later.
The weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today.
Now your mini challenge. Write one sentence in the comments using one of today's chunks. For example, it's getting hot in my city, or I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow.
I will write, it feels like summer today.
Great sentence. Before you go, remember today's 5 chunks. It looks like, it's getting, it feels like, I hope it doesn't, and the weather is.
These chunks help me start small talk naturally.
Exactly. Subscribe to FluentMindee to learn English in natural chunks.